To cover Mullen Automotive MULN stock here on this channel. Currently sitting at 13 cents at the time of this video. It is somewhat in the green today. Trading volume is probably going to hit its average trading volume. 133 million trades here of MULN stock today, compared to an average volume of 214 million. Again, just want to go over a few things in regards to this stock here. You can see here the third most heavily traded stock on the market today. Again, just under. Let's refresh this actually. Just under Credit Suisse and First Republic Bank, obviously with the banking fears and things like that. But aside from that, Mullen here, even ahead of Tesla today as far as trading volume goes. 128 million trades of MULN Mullen stock. Been covering this stock for a while now, going to continue to do so. Earnings are coming up, it looks like March 21st through 24th, hopefully. But yeah, let's get right into this update. So Mullen stock alert, Mullen rallies shareholders to oppose $3 million fee. Mullen Automotive has objected to paying an attorney award of $3 million. The company has urged shareholders to object the award by May 4th, which is again a while from now. Mullen stock is down by more than 55% year to date. Honestly, this car looks pretty cool. Honestly, like I mean, I think it's been a debate about the look of the Mullen vehicle, but I mean, just from the rear, this looks like a very cool and futuristic type of car that I think could gravitate a lot of eyes towards it. Just a side note. But last week, it was announced that the attorneys in two putative stockholder class actions against Mullen have requested a $3 million in rewards and attorney fees from the company. The class actions stem from a claim that the move to increase the authorized shares during the 2022 annual meeting was unauthorized, and that the proposal to change Mullen's state of incorporation to Maryland from Delaware was initiated in order to escape litigation. Mullen responded to the class action by validating and ratifying its increase in authorized shares through the Delaware Court of Chancery. At the same time, the electric vehicle company withdrew its proposal to change its state of incorporation. So that Mullen is urging these shareholders, I think there's going to be a vote on this, to object the $3 million fee, essentially, so Mullen doesn't have to pay this $3 million fee to their attorneys, essentially. You can see here they believed, I guess, essentially the plaintiffs voluntarily dismissed the class actions, and they also believe that Mullen's withdrawal of its state incorporation change proposal will help shareholders because Delaware makes it easier to hold fiduciaries to account for their breaches. On top of that, Delaware doctrine rewards litigants who assert meritorious claims with attorney fees commensurate with the benefits achieved by their efforts, according to the legal brief. So again, if you're a shareholder and you do have the opportunity to vote on this, I would say probably vote no. Just obviously less money that Mullen will actually have to lose, essentially. And then I want to share this as well. Mullen Automotive and Kiantu Motors to launch EV supercar branded Mullen GT and GTRS, with the program starting commencing March of 2023. Again, starting now. So Mullen is granted a license for IP and exclusive distribution rights in and South American markets for the Kiantu K50 Dragonfly. This absolutely looks insane in my opinion. Mullen will finalize vehicle engineering pursuant to U.S. standards with final assembly in Mishikawa, Indiana. The EV supercar will be rebranded and refreshed to sell under the Mullen GT and GTRS brands, with expected performance specs of 0 to 60 in 1.95 seconds and a top speed of over 200 miles per hour. Now, 0 to 60 in 1.95 seconds is, I believe, a little faster than the Tesla Model S Plaid, which to me is like the fastest EV car on the market, which would be absolutely insane. So I think this is some good news, some bullish news here for Mullen Automotive. You can see here Mullen, an emerging EV company, announces today that it has been granted the North American IP and distribution rights from Kiantu Motors. So Kiantu Motors is looking to obviously implement this and get this EV supercar into America, into the United States, and they're going to be working with Mullen Automotive on doing this. So I think this is absolutely awesome for Mullen long term. You can see here this agreement with Kiantu is an important milestone for the company. Not only does it settle in a long outstanding dispute between our respective companies, but also presents the company the opportunity to fulfill my vision for a supercar that would rival some of the best supercars in the world. Mullen CEO David McCurry says, since day one, we have received overwhelming positive feedback for this vehicle, including our original debut at the 2019 New York Auto Show and the Indy 500 in May of 2019. We are excited to start the GT and GTRS programs in March 20th of 2023. So I guess this has currently gone on. It's currently started here. They do have the Form 8K found here, I believe. Just take a quick look at this. This is on their website here. I guess the Form 8K. We'll just take a look at this for this to be going on, I believe. The IP rights to this. I don't know what this is. SEC. Stock value. I mean, nonetheless, very legitimate here. Very, very positive news. In my opinion, I think this is a bullish catalyst for Mullen Automotive. Price up a little bit today. Obviously, there's so much things like I talked about in the previous video that need to happen for Mullen to continue to move up. Let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about Mullen. Drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and as always, have a great day.